Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. March the 19th, 2009. Oh, baby, put yesterday on your historical calendar because that was unbelievable. I don't think I've ever seen the bond market go from 3% to 2.5%. Burn your ass off is going to be bankrupting the Fed, trying to save the mortgage industry and basically lower rates artificially. I don't know how this United States is that rich that they can basically do this, but the bottom line is this. Massive monetization is what the market is anticipating. Massive inflation. The dollar is going to collapse. This is the start of a major move in the dollar. Obviously, nothing's going to go up and down in a straight line, but this was significant. The timing that Bernanke is doing this, and you look at the dollar across the board. There are so many positives, negatives for the dollar. Technically, a lot of things. I mean, look, we are now approaching certainly major channel line resistance on the euro. I think another day, turnaround Tuesday, we're going to get up to 139, baby. I mean, we had the pullback today. Listen, we had a great day. Triple roll was amazing. Everything worked to perfection. Dollar yen worked great. Euro yen, sterling yen, everything worked. Except Euro Canada. Oh, Dollar Canada. The short of the board, baby. Take a look at that rally. Over 200 pips it's rallied now. I mean, give me a break. The Looney's going to crack through 121 tonight. Maybe 121.50. But dollar yen. Let's focus here. Dollar yen. Busted. We're going to see a nice move down in dollar yen for sure. Everyone's so bullish on it also. Any rallies, 96 would be an awesome spot. And again, the yen pretty much reacting to bond yields collapsing. And, basically now, if I was the Chinese and the Japanese, I'd say, okay, you guys want to buy treasuries? We'll sell them to you. I mean, this is their way out. They should take their money and run if they were smart. But I'll tell you, it's just, I say to myself, well, why did they do that? Why can't they do this all the time? If we could spend all these trillions of dollars, imagine if Bush would have done this in 2006, we would have been all saved. Why can't they always do it? Why can't we just print our money, print our way to Shangri-La? Why don't we make everybody millionaires? It's a joke. And Bernanke, as I've said before, is going to go down as the worst central bank head in the history of this country. And even Jim Cramer, Cramer, saying he liked this move. Listen, this move is a desperation throw. I mean, he's throwing everything in the kitchen sink. There's nothing going to be left. All right, back to business. Cable. Philly Fed was terrible, by the way. That certainly added to the, a little bit better, but still not good. Look at this cable. Breaking out, baby. Oh, cable. I got to tell you, we got some major moves possible in sterling dollar. I mean, we're talking, 150. Nice cool round number. Look at that nice resistance. Look at that. Boom. Sterling looks like it's going to 150. Easy. Easy. What a day. I got to tell you. I mean, the movement I saw yesterday, I'm sorry, I was just so freaking busy. The movement yesterday was just incredible. I mean, have you ever seen the kind of moves that we saw yesterday? Euro sterling, that was incredible. Again, I did my radio broadcast, Global FX Radio, so you could have followed along what was going on there. But certainly, I didn't think it was going to be that major of an event. But when you saw the bond market move, we knew there was going to be major movement. And I'll tell you, looking at some of the numbers, again, unemployment claims a little bit better than expected. Big deal. Philly Fed still negative 35. So look out tonight. Big numbers out of Eurozone. German producer price, industrial production coming out. That's going to be weaker. Horrible. And Canadian retail sales, I think the Loonie has a massive move on a better number on the Loonie. Take a look at that number coming out. The U.S. was better. Why can't Canada? So this rally in the dollar Canada late in the day, I think, is an awesome opportunity to get short, baby. And I'll even pull up that chart because I keep talking about it. Man, how wrong could Dennis Gartman be? How wrong is the Gartman? I don't know if those of you read his newsletter, but my goodness. Talk about wrong. He said the dollar Swiss was going to 120 easy. Look at dollar Swiss. I can't believe I changed my bias because of him. And I never listen to people. I just respect the guy too much. But, oh my goodness. Hang on. Let's go add line. Yada yada. Take a look. Look at this. We rally up to here, baby. It's still busted, though. As long as 125 doesn't go bullish engulfing, if this hammer here, possible. But still, this sucker's rolling over. Say goodnight. Any rallies? I mean, look at this dollar Canada. I mean, look at this. This is a 1 year. This baby's got a long way to go. And Harper said they're going to be the first ones to come out of it. Stock market down. Carry trade basically hanging in tough. Looking at Euro Yen right here. Looking a little toppy to me. But again, this Euro, this is such a major spot, Euro Yen. Major. We take that out. That what is that? 131.50, something like that. But still, looking a little toppy to me. I think dollar yen is making a nice little comeback, about 100 pips from the lows. I think dollar yen looking marvelous as a short. Like I said, so a lot of the dollar yen, dollar Canada, even dollar Swiss. But oof, what a day! What a week! Can't say I really did that great the last couple of days because I really screwed up. We tried to go long. We did go long the euro, but took the trade too early. Took it off. Euro Canada really was the disaster, and dollar Canada selling the bounce today. But by and large, we had a very good day today. Carried triple roll, worked amazing. Amazing once again. Sterling yen. I mean, gold's move was just unbelievable. Gold yesterday was just telling you this was significant. I mean, major breakout. Sterling yen having a lot of trouble here. But cable really, relative strength winner. Euro sterling, I'm going to look at in a second. That was a nice reversal, I think, there. But this 135 level, very important. Again, I see nice resistance. We get up to around 138. We're going to have to get short again. Absolutely. Let's take a look at that Euro Swiss. I mean, as far as the carry trade is concerned, again, this dollar yen, it's more of a question of what do you think dollar yen's going to do? Is dollar yen going to continue to melt down? If it is, then you're going to have nice resistance, But if dollar yen's going to stabilize here and not go down, and euro and cable going to go up, then carry trade to the moon. 95, big spot. As long as 95 doesn't give way, we can have a nice double top here. I think this industrial production number is going to be horrible out of Eurozone. I think we probably come in a little bit. I'm not looking for a total reversal in this, but certainly a pullback to the 10 exponential. What comes up has to come in at some point, right? Look at this. Has to come in. So we're going to have some sort of a pullback. We take out 95 to the moon, Alice. To the moon. Again, remember, you can always get my radio program on Global FX Radio. I always do a broadcast, even when I screw it up like I did yesterday. But what a day. I mean, just vernacular. Burn your ass. I just can't get over that we could just print money, buy treasuries, get yields lower. I mean, the risk. I mean, they're really risking the country, United States, the sovereignty of the United States, or a massive meltdown. And it's just, I can't get over it. I can't. Anyway, dollar index again busted. We gave this to you, the dribble. Remember the dribble we were talking about, right? That was last Thursday. I know I haven't done a YouTube in a while, but the dribble and then the meltdown. Always happens like that. First you dribble and then you melt. Anyway, dollar index looking like 79.50. Easy. And that's a long way to go, baby. That's a long way to go. Look at the channel line. And listen, you could do your Fibonacci from here to here, or you can do your Fibbo from here to here. Take your poison. But if we do that, let's take a look at there. If we do our Fibonacci from the lows in January to the highs, you see we're approaching that 82.30. Now that is a very, very, very big spot, and I think that could be a turnaround Tuesday event, but it's only Thursday. But again, I think maybe we futz around, we retest this, but this should 82.30 give way, then you're probably talking the channel line. I know you're a little confused right now, but that is the 50% retracement from this move down here to this move up here. So again, that channel line possibly going to intersect. And this, again, what Bernanke has done is a major, major blow to the dollar. Gold is going to explode from here. Interest rates are going to collapse. The dollar is going to continue to collapse. The question is, who is it going to collapse more against? This move in the euro is just ridiculous. Again, this Euro Canada is just insane. It's broken out, taken out 61.8% retracement. I'm all bajiggied out. Andrew Spanton. Printing money once again today. Great day. Gave back about half of it, though. We're up 1,000 pips. Gave back a lot. 500. 400. Global FX Radio YouTube. The only voice you will ever need in Forex that makes you money. Oh, baby. Have a good night. Dollar down again.